How to activate First Horizon debit card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to activate First Horizon debit card. So first thing, just head over to your online banking or mobile banking activation. So if you are looking for activation via online banking or mobile banking, just log into your firsthorizon.com account, and once you access the First Horizon Bank online or mobile banking platform, find the section related to the debit card management or card controls. And once you locate it, just follow the activation steps, such as you'll likely be prompted to enter your card details and then follow the on-screen instructions to activate the card. So you may need to set a new PIN or verify your existing one. And if you encounter any issues during the activation, you just need to contact First Horizon Bank customer support for assistance by simply heading over to their customer support contact us option over here or customer support request and filling out all of the details available over here. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.